Why? Why are you crying? Why are you crying, Alicia? I cannot give you the number here on YouTube because it's too risky. Too risky to give the number here. And too risky to give the number here. So viewers and 8. Where are you from? Alicia, where are you from? I can be your friend here in YouTube. No problem at all. I can be your friend. I'm here just to make friends. Nothing else. Mawatibok ng puso, kay sarap linisin. Tulad ng I don't understand your language. I speak to you in English. You can understand English, like understand all the when I'm talking to you in English, you can understand me. What is your language, by the way? And where are you from? Alicia. Where are you from? I cannot give you my number here. I don't give the number here in YouTube because it's so ano ba? I don't know how to explain to you, but I cannot. I can be your friends here. Friend. Hello sa 4 viewers and 8. Thank you so much po. Bawat sandali, mahalaga sa akin. 4 and 8. Shout out, guys. 7 viewers. Hello. Bawat sandali. 7 viewers and 8. Shout out. Thank you. So it's 5 minutes more. And I will end the live now. So yeah. Tomorrow, we are all sleeping. I am the only one gising, guys. Bawat sandali. Hello sa 5 viewers. Hello sa 5 and 8. Thank you so much, guys. 7 and 8. Thank you.